Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to copy any link from any video you want on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. As you see, click on Rednote first, enter the application, and then for example on the explore page choose any video you want and click here on this share icon, as you see, and here you will find this copy link on the share to section. So click on it and the link will be copied. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.